Hi guys, today we discuss about operators in where statement. They are first one between operator, second one not between operator, third one like operator, fourth one not like operator, fifth one contains operator, and sixth one not contains operator. Now let's see the syntax and examples of those operator in where statement. Okay, first the syntax is where variable name operator and conditions semicolon. Before explain about operators in where statement, now we take one example from SAS help class dataset. For that we write a code data OPTR is our dataset name operator and set SAS help dot class and run. Okay. And before opening this data set, we are checking log and log is clear. Now we are opening data set OPTR. Here we have a data set OPTR and the variables are name, sex, age, height and weight. In this we are applying these operators and the first one is between operator. And what is the use of between operator? Between operator is used for getting particular observations between any two observation. Now we see the examples of between operator. For that we writing code between operator and name the operator 1 and set operator and where age is a variable following the syntax. First one is where and variable name is age and between is an operator and now the condition 12 and 14. Are you got it? What we write here where age between 12 and 14 and the meaning here I want observation in age variable from 12 to 14. Now we are running this code. Before opening dataset, check log it once and log is clear. Now we are opening operator 1. Here we are getting the observations in age variable from 12 to 14. Got it? And like this we are applying between operator. And the second one is not between operator. And not between operator is used for getting particular observation except between any two observation. Are you got it? Getting particular observation except between any two observation. Now we write code for that and dataset name is operator 2 set operator where following the syntax age is a variable name, operator is not between and the condition is 12 and 14. And here we are not getting observation from 12 to 14. Okay, we are running this code and before opening data set, check log it once. Okay, and log is clear. Now we are opening operator 2. Here, observe here, we are not getting 12 to 14 observations in age variable except that 12 to 14 we are getting observations. Like this we are applying not between operator. And the third one is like operator. And how we use the like operator? It is used for getting particular observations start with a character or end with a character. Got it? Start with a particular character and end with a particular character. We want that observations. And like operator is apply only on character and between operator is possible to apply only on numeric variables. Got it? Now we writing like operator start with a particular character in one variable and we are follow the syntax and for that based on first character and the name is operator 3, set operator, where name is a variable name, like is an operator. Now the condition a percentile semicolon. Okay, here what we are writing here, like a percentile, it means of what? Whatever observations in a name variable start with a, we are getting that observation from particular name variable. Okay, we are running this code. And one more thing, like operator is a case sensitive. Got it? And we are running this code. Okay, and before opening dataset, check log it once and log is clear. And we are opening operator 3 here. This is the main dataset. Here what we condition given, we are only like what? Names in a name variable start with a. These two only start with a character. Got it? Only these two where observations are start with a. That's why we are getting only these two observation from name variable. Like this, the like operator is working. Now the second one is based on second character. Okay, then how it will be code? Okay, and data operator 4 and a set operator where name is a variable name and operator is like, and underscore o percentile symbol. I want to start observations from second is o. Okay, and what is the result will be. And before opening the data set, check log it once and log is clear. Here all the names of second character is o. Got it? Like this we can get a particular number of observations by applying like operator. Now we have another condition in like operator, that is end with particular character. Okay, and we are writing code for that. I named the data set with operator 5 and a set operator, and where name is a variable name, like is an operator, and percentile y. If you write y at the end, that is you want that particular observation of characters end with y. If you write observation in starting, it means you want for that observations start with a. And if you write after underscore a character that you want from observations that particular condition. Like this we are writing like operator in a data set. Okay, and the next one is not like operator. Okay, then what is the use of it? It is used for getting particular observation except start with or end with a particular character. Got it? Then the code will be operator 6 and name of the dataset with the operator 6, and where name is a variable, not like is an operator, and a is a first character, starting character, and percentile semicolon. Like this we are not getting the names or start with a in a total data set. Got it? And before opening the data set, check log it once and log is clear. And operator 6 here, except that a starting names, remaining names will be displayed here. Are you got it? Like this we are applying like operator and not like operator in a character variables only. Okay, now and the next one is a contains operator. And what is the use of contains operator here? It is used for getting particular observation contains some particular character. It means what? It is also based on character only. Okay, now what is the code of that? And operator 7, I named the data set, and where name is a variable name, and the contains is an operator, and the condition is just J. Okay, and what is the meaning of this here? Contains J. It means of what? In a name variable, whatever observation is having J, it will be displayed. Now we are running the code. Before opening the data set, check log it once. Log is clear, and operator 7. Here all the name observations contains J, and the next thing is here contains also used by the symbol. Instead of writing contains, simply we are writing a symbol of question mark. We are getting a data set. Okay, now we will see that. Okay, with the symbol question mark of contains, now where name is a variable, and question mark instead of content we are just writing a question mark, and J. Okay, same condition, we are just using symbol instead of writing contains here, and we are getting dataset 7A. Okay, and here we are getting same output. Got it? Like this we are writing contains operator in a where statement. Now the sixth one is not contains operator. Okay, and what is the use of this not contains operator is for getting particular observations except some particular character. Got it? Then what is the code? And here operator 8, I gave it the dataset name, and where is a statement, and a name is a variable, and not contains is an operator, and y. Okay, and I am running this code, and before opening the dataset, check log at once. Okay, and log is clear. Now I am opening operator 8. Here observe any observation in a name variable don't contains y here. Got it? Like this we separate data by using where statement on not contains operator. And the next one, instead of that not contains operator, we can use a symbol. Okay, just like above with the symbol, and I named the data set with the operator 8A, and the set operator where name is a variable name, and contains symbol we are using, and y. Okay, we are running this code. We are giving another data set name with the same condition. Instead of not contain, we are just writing symbol here, and before opening dataset, log is clear, and we are opening operator 8A. Here observe, we are giving same condition with the symbol in a name variable. Any observation not contains a y character. Like this we are applying operators in a where condition, and already we know that where condition or statement is used for filter the data from the existing data. Okay, and here your task is apply not like operator with the based on first character, based on second character, based on end character. I am applying here only on first character. Okay, you can apply on both end character and second character of not like operator. Okay, and while practicing, make your own examples on operators in a where statement. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like the video, and comment below, share with your friends. Thank you. Support me.